we see again and again and again, right? See, it's just like you keeping your word to yourself, to others. See? If you know and you're committed to keeping your word to yourself and to others, then your word is powerful. It means something. You see, and you don't give it frivolously. See? Because to you, then your word is action. See? It is life. You understand? Say living life. It is you devoting some of your time and energy and whatever, creativity to some aspect of life that you've given your word to. Whatever it is. Go see a movie, whatever. Work on something together, whatever it is. See, but then your word is held differently to you. It becomes a powerful thing because it represents action. It represents what you do. It represents experience. It doesn't represent bullshit. It doesn't represent la 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 like so many people's word does. It's meaningless. They'll rattle on about stuff. Yeah, as if, it makes a difference when they have no intention of really keeping their word. They lack power, and they don't understand they lack power. They lack power for themselves, in themselves, and others. I can't imagine, I haven't really worked on this one because I don't go in that world much, but I can't imagine that if you are frivolous with your word in relationship to others, what you say to others, that you wouldn't be frivolous with your word to yourself. I imagine you would be. See? Again, no proof. I really, this first time I thought about it. Okay, so we'll have to take a look and see. But see, I imagine at first blush, my guess is that if you're frivolous with your word, you're frivolous with your word, whether you're giving it to somebody else or to yourself. It just makes sense to me. I'd actually bet that's the case. You see, because you don't honor your word, it means nothing to you. So you'll say something to yourself and then you'll break it. See? You change your mind. Don't do it. It's kind of like, like I say, people with the New Year's resolution. It's like, yeah, so don't make it. Don't make it. Unless you do it. And if you do it, then do it. See, the statement is nothing unless you do it. The doing is the doing. See, the doing is the thing, right? Whatever that doing is. I don't care what it is, But you see what I'm saying? The doing is the thing. You see, and if the statement doesn't mean you do it, then don't say it. Say, well, why? It doesn't make any difference. Yes, it does. That's the point. See, like, people, perhaps people that notoriously don't keep their word, or people who are never on time, that kind of thing. Do you trust them much? No. Do you count on them? Do you put your life in their hands? Well, if you do, you're kind of stupid. All right? No. You figure, now, I can't count on this person. They're probably not going to, they're not going to be there, whatever. When I used to train the apprentices in the old days, we had that house. I'll throw a picture of what that place is on the next newsletter, of what it looks like now. It's now 2 stores. We had both of them, but that's just... Anyway, I'd say, okay, now look. I want to be able to say to you on Tuesday at 3:15 p.m. in the afternoon exactly, I'm going to run off the top of this building and I want you to be there to catch me. See, and I won't even have to look and see if you're there. I would look. I don't want to. I mean, I did shit like anyway. Yes, I did shit like that. And you see what I'm saying? You know, it's like have one of those big nets or something. That can, you know.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please consider joining a workshop. They're more powerful than you think.